Archiving chats on WhatsApp is a useful way to declutter your chat list without permanently deleting your conversations. And when you archive, the chats are hidden from your main chat screen but can't be accessed anytime in the archived section. If you want a clean inbox quickly, WhatsApp allows you to archive all chats at once instead of doing them one by one. So go ahead, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device, log into your account, and go ahead and tap on the three dots menu in the top right corner of your screen, then tap on Settings. From this page, tap on Chats, that is between List and Notifications. Then tap on Chat History, the last option in this page. Now go ahead and tap on Archive All Chats that you will find between Export Chat and Clear All Chats option. Confirm when prompted. And on iPhone, you can open WhatsApp, tap on Settings at the bottom right, go to Chats, and select Archive All Chats. Confirm the action. Once you're done, all of your chats will move to the archived section. They'll stay there until you receive a new message in those chats, and unless you enable Keep Chats Archived setting. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.